The idea of Prebuck is to take labor out of the field and to simplify things during the installation process.
So we're eliminating all multiple layers of different types of lumber. Each piece of lumber will move differently. With Prebuck's pre-pitched parapet cap, we can eliminate all the different layers, all the different possibilities for leaks, blow-offs.
And we've always gotten feedback from contractors in the field to say, hey, we loved using the product. It saved us X amount of time. This project was supposed to take 3 weeks. It only took 3 days. That's all great information to have, but as a sales representative, when I'm talking to customers, I can talk about that stuff till I'm blue in the face. People want to see some sort of study.
I was at a school working and I was told I needed to come to our main job trailer because I had a special assignment I was doing Thursday and Friday.
So I showed up to work one day and my foreman just looked at me and said, you are going to Beechwood and you are going to be having an interview and building parapet caps.
So for this time study, we took a conventional parapet cap detail and created 2 walls, one for the conventional method and one for the Prebuck method. We had 48 feet of straight wall. It hits a 90-degree turn, and then there's another 12 feet of wall for a total lineal footage of 60 feet. In the study, it took a master carpenter and an apprentice 2 hours, an hour and 57 minutes to be exact, to create that 60 feet of parapet cap. When the same crew on an identical wall used Prebuck pre-engineered parapet, it took them 20 minutes.
To do it the traditional way usually involves ripping sheets of plywood down to get a width. But to get the pitch, usually we just use like a 2x4 on one end, piece of 3/4, 1x material on the opposite side. There's even times too we'll use like custom make wood shims to get a pitch.
With the Prebuck, it's sent out to you and all you do is cut and go. Anyone can do it. Say you're a first-year apprentice. It's a lot easier for me to train an apprentice. You just have the Prebuck, you're able to cut it, put it into place, and screw it down. With the traditional, for someone who doesn't have experience, it's going to take them a lot longer. There's just more screws involved, it takes more time, you're up on a roof a lot longer. As you're screwing everything together, the wood could end up warped, curled, especially being pressure treated. It grows in size, it shrinks, so it's not all going to come together smooth. With the Prebuck, it's already pre-built to where it's all one solid piece and it doesn't bend, it doesn't warp. You bolt it on and you're good to go. That's all it is to it. It's an amazing finished product.
Any situation where you have a flat roof, our parapet cap is very versatile, can be used in remodel, new construction. The time savings, the material quality that it brings to the job site is, it's unmatched, and we're proving it. It's been proven for 15 years now.
So when you look at the time savings alone, I think Prebuck sells itself.